Modern Beauty. Brought to you by On Q Painbuster, Radius, Rejuveneers, and Mentor.
My name is Grant Stevens. I'm a plastic surgeon here in Marina del Rey, California.
Meet Grant Stevens, doctor, author, researcher, inventor, and cosmetic surgeon for patients in Southern California and around the world. A fifth-generation Californian with a Midwestern attitude, Dr. Grant Stevens heads Marina Plastic Surgery Associates. The philosophy of the practice is this: ladies and gentlemen caring for ladies and gentlemen. His unequivocal work, including his signature procedure, the Stevens Laser Bra, has elicited media attention around the globe. So, who exactly comes to see Dr. Stevens? Moms. Lots of moms. Dr. Stevens was trained at Washington University and is fully board certified as a plastic surgeon. Dr. Stevens has dedicated his life to his profession and is fiercely passionate about his life's work: plastic surgery.
I know it's plastic surgery, but there's nothing plastic about it as far as I'm concerned. We're touching people's lives every day. We're hopefully contributing to the quality of their life by giving them back the image they want. They're giving them back the body that they want. Many of the people I operate on are mothers, and I love doing Mommy Makeovers.
Dr. Stevens helps many mothers and grandmothers. In fact, his own mother even asked him to perform a breast reduction on her. And he did.
They've given their bodies up in a way to have their kids, and they love their kids. They would do anything for their kids, but now they want their figure back, and that really gets me going. I love to do it for them.
Dr. Stevens' Mommy Makeover combines several procedures to give the body a more youthful appearance in just a few weeks. Bundling cosmetic procedures during a single operation has been methodically researched and has been shown to be a safe practice.
In peer-reviewed journal articles in the Aesthetic Surgery Journal, we found there was no increased problems or complications in people having combined surgery with people having one operation, notably a tummy tuck. This was published. It was presented at our national meeting. It's been peer-reviewed. It's been reviewed by numerous colleagues. And we showed conclusively it is safe to combine surgery.
Dr. Stevens performed a Mommy Makeover on this almost 50 mother of three. Hear her story later in the show.
They've given their bodies up in a way to have their kids, and they love their kids. They would do anything for their kids, but now they want their figure back, and that really gets me going. I love to do it for them.
At the top of the show, we introduced Mommy Makeovers through the talented eyes of Dr. Grant Stevens. Now meet his patient, Christy, an almost 50 mother of three.
Dr. Grant Stevens is my fabulous doctor. Absolutely love him. I had multiple procedures done in one operation, which I really liked it. I've never had plastic surgery before, but I knew it was something that I've wanted to do for a long period of time. I have 3 children, 3 beautiful kids. My oldest is 27, then I have a 16-year-old and my baby girl, she's 13. So I was ready to do something for myself. I was ready to get my body back into pre-baby shape, before I had all my babies.
Christy's Mommy Makeover included a gummy bear breast augmentation, liposuction in the flanks, hips, and knee areas, plus a tummy tuck.
Unbeknownst to me, I didn't know this, but when you get pregnant, all the abdominal muscles stretch out, and there's no way really for them to contract and get back together. So he was able to stitch those all back together. So I still have like a six-pack. It's just amazing. It's 2.5 years later. So I feel really good about that.
Dr. Stevens spent time with Christy to ensure that she was ready for the experience, that her body was ready, and that she was ready for recovery.
So I was ready to get my body back into shape, and I'm really pleased with the results. I can tell all the women out there that if they were interested in doing some type of procedure, to do it just for themselves and not for anyone else. I'm really happy that I did it. It was the best experience.
More than 2 years after the procedures, she is looking as beautiful as ever. And another amazing success story of Dr. Grant Stevens.